Hi, Blake with Boulevard Home. Today we're going to talk about wash towers. There are benefits to wash towers, there are negative things with wash towers. Some things you have to take into consideration when you buy them. The size. They are huge. I mean, it's like taking your standard front load washer and stacking the dryer on it. Well, with those units, you can move them separately. With this, you're moving it just like you see it. So if I ever have to get into the dryer, or I ever have to get into the washing machine, I have to have somebody else there with me. So that means you as the consumer, if it's out of warranty, you're gonna be paying for two people. That means somebody to take the dryer off the top of the washing machine to be able to service the dryer or service the top part of the washer. Now, most of these machines, they are serviceable from the front to a certain point, which means I can get to certain components at the front, but I can't get to them all. You know, we really don't have a whole lot of problems with these. These are about the same issues that we would have for a typical set. Don't expect problems with it, but just like anything, I mean, you could buy the best of whatever it may be, there's always a chance it's gonna have a problem. And when that problem comes up, that's when it costs money and time. One of the biggest drawbacks, in my opinion, let's say down the road, if the washing machine or the dryer goes bad, and that becomes a very expensive repair. Something that's going to be very expensive as far as your pocketbook, is going to hit you hard. You cannot separate these units. So if you had a separate washer and dryer, you could always get rid of the dryer and buy a new dryer and keep the washer because it's still working fine. With this, you're getting rid of the whole kit and the caboodle and starting with a brand new washer and dryer. So that is something you want to possibly keep in mind also with these machines. You know, you're gonna say, well, what about the other types of washing machines? What they're referred to as thin twins, the older style where you have the washing machine where the lid opens up to about a 45-degree angle and the dryer's up top. Now, those machines are different. Those machines are built to be serviced as is, meaning you don't have to separate them. You don't have to pull them apart. All-in-one units like this, that's a completely different story. But if you're thinking about getting one, I mean, don't let this video scare you away. They're great machines, but just be mindful of some of the struggles that you're gonna possibly have with this. Just keep those in mind, but other than that, you know, they're great machines. So, well, we have lots of other videos for you to watch. So, you know, please like and subscribe, and you can check out all these other videos, and we'll find out lots of interesting stuff you may or may not want to know, but at least you'll have that information, and information is power. So thanks for watching.